Which nature writers have you read?
John Muir, Terry Tempest Williams, Edward Abbey. I guess we consider Thoreau.
I've read Thoreau and I've read Muir. I've read a lot of modern nature writers. I've watched some documentaries.
Well, I've never really done too much reading into the realm of nature writing, but some authors that I have read bits of would include like Thoreau, Whitman, John Burroughs. That's pretty much it.
I've read Walden by Thoreau.
I've read a lot of nature writers, Burroughs, Thoreau, Whitman. Those would be the three main ones. Well, I guess there's Abbey. But yeah, I've definitely read a lot of... I went through a phase of nature writers.
So, I read Walt Whitman, Thoreau, and John Muir.
Well, I guess of the ones that I would think of, probably the most significant was Henry David Thoreau.
I read Song of Myself and part of Walden, which were both assigned. I didn't do it voluntarily.
I read Joseph Wood Crutch, Annie Dillard, Edward Abbey, Aldo Leopold, Melville, Thoreau, Emerson, who else? Robert Finch.